Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to fix controller drift PS5, fix PS5 controller analog stick drift, easy, no tools. So first of all, there are multiple ways to fix stick drift on your PS5 controller. So let me give you 5 of them. So method number 1 is you can reset your controller. So first of all, you need to turn off your PS5 console. You need both the controller and the console to be off to reset the controller. When you reset your PS5 controller, it will return to its original factory setting. After the reset, you will need to pair it again with your PS5. These steps will work for any of the PS5 controllers. And step 2 is press and hold the button on the back of your controller for 5 seconds. This is a recessed button, so you'll need a pin or straightened paper clip to place it. And third method is you can connect the controller to the PS5 with a USB cable. The controller came with a USB cable, but if you don't have it, you can use any USB cable. Using a short USB cable is okay, since you will only connect this way initially to so you can connect wirelessly to your console. Reset your Bluetooth connection by going to settings, then accessories, then general, and then turn off Bluetooth. And the fourth method is you can turn on your PS5 and press the PS button on your controller. Once your PS5 starts up, pressing PS will trigger the controller to connect. You will see the lights turn on in front of your remote, letting you know it's connected. If resetting your controller does not fix any drift, it's likely not a software issue. Cleaning your PS5 controller should be resolve the stick drift. And the last method is you can just repair or replace your controller. You can contact Sony for help, especially if your controller is new. It might still be under warranty, which means that you can get it repaired or fixed or feel free. If you could fix stick drift with other methods, Sony will replace your controller. If it's not under warranty, you can pay to get your PS5 controller fixed or buy a new one. So that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.